Ka National People's Party NPP haka kanreu teruk urempang arajar arpun riau. Kalau penbenai ketup kerteng ke benengkong, jengki kertong ke bagentup iki arp saungun ke bentak election, syaga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ke balatumu ben penlong mentak senem. Hagani jeng penbenai ke senggelasi mekarai, da ke bagentat benai tiket ya u CEM uba mentak ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council u Albinos Armarak uba mikmat na ke SIJU Constituency. Habakran gilat patai kubor, unong ay kitian keseng NPP Umar Kuis and Marak ula pentip baka State Committee kabahap apa kajingilam u Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya uba Presiden Tunsong kala menjur kani ketop jong ki kerteng kabalawan na ke Regional Committee. Uli tu bagani kajingjiat di kertong kolong hadian bala bishar benia halor kajingla banjob kajing IT na kebentang keseng kajing trehok uba kajing syampang ka kamsad pertai. Umar kuis marak ula pensyai ba kajing kentat banai tiket ya usi yang bementah kelongkarai ke bestomba. Mereka sengkalahap ban le ya kania namar kajing long jengman halor kalat ban job hasiju. Kaseng galagentu ya u chief executive member bementah bon ai kajing trailang buat ukertong buat mai uba kaseng kalatung. Umar kuis marak ula itu ru ba kajing penkre na matagi election kalaya cekmat ba hagishnong kitau bat kibabuan ne kini kertong kiladan lupa hamadan menelap election. Nado unai wiang ni untuk opera jong kesenem kebalale. Keseng kal shimpor ban bishar ke application namar badan ki constituency ki ba had unyongut kinong apply tiket. Badu menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangmar rengkut kinong ngilam ki ba klie kenduk markmat ya bro kinong apply tiket ban pensyai ban kentu ya ke jingi trelang na ke benta ke jingbet jong keseng.
There are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one on one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad Kesama, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants. I mean to say those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them. We have been consulting them, so that we get their support. We get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. With great difficulty, one more thing I wanted to inform you. We have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing SIJU constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore, we have denied him the ticket. But we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. Today, uh, the state committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the uh, winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the state committee. And today, the state committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the state president of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the regional committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates um, against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, CEU constituency. After thorough discussions and ra- different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Moman. To Wagesuk, same for this constituency also, we have decided to fill Sri Jebul S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengchem N. Sangma. Six, Baringapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. Seven, Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. Eight, Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. Nine, Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10 Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson CH Marak. 12 Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13 Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14 Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15 Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16 Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17 Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18 Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19 Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22 Jenjal, Sri Graham Bell A. Sangma. 23 Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Moman. 24 Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25 Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26 Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27 Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28 Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29 William Nagar, Sri Sigbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly.